Okay, so most people think that the WRM is cube head's main, but it's actually this cube. This cube is the X-Man Design Tornado V3 Flagship Edition. If you guys didn't know, the X-Man Tornado V3 is the flagship cube from X-Man Designs this year. Most people are calling this cube the best cube of 2022. Okay, so out of the box, it has stuff pretty fast, but who cares what it feels out of the box? What we need to do is make it feel like a YoCube Deluxe V2. And to do that, we're gonna need glue, but we can get to that later. First thing you're gonna need to do when you get the cube is you're gonna wanna change the screw. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take off the cap and you wanna put it to 4 on the outside and 3 on the inside. It should look like that. Then you're gonna do that to every single side. Okay, so after tensioning it, it should feel a bit tighter, but not too much tighter. So the next thing we're gonna do is to lube it. For the YoCube Deluxe V2, you're gonna wanna lube it with 2 drops of D&M, 4 drops of Mystic, Dignitas to 1 corner, so after you're done applying lube, it's gonna feel a lot more controllable. It's gonna feel pretty silky and smooth, but it's gonna be lubey on the outside, so you can wipe it off with this included microfiber cloth. So after that, you might think you're done, but there's still one thing you're missing: a sticker. So, not a sticker, a logo. You can put this on the white side, but it'll look weird unless you scratch off the logo using sugar, or you can put it on the yellow side, which is what I'm gonna do. Just put that right in the center, and there you go, your YoCube Deluxe V2. So one of my favorite parts about this cube is that it feels like a GameCube, but better. So at the moment, there are only 2 cubes I would recommend to somebody: the RS3M or the RS3M Super, maybe the WRM. But if they want the best cube possible, I would 100% recommend the YoCube Deluxe version 2, or if you want to make one yourself. This is honestly such a good cube. I even got a sub 13 on it, which is one of my best sellers ever. So, I'd 100% recommend making this or buying it with everyone. If you were to buy all of the stuff I used in this video to make this, it would come to around, I believe, $50-ish, unless you use a discount code, which you definitely should, because if you use discount code CubeHead, you get 5% off and this cool sticker. And then, if you were to buy this cube set up by CubeHead, it would also be $50. So it's pretty much the same. You do get a lot of extra lube, so you wouldn't. So if you wanted to lube it later down the line, or lube like a different cube, you could totally do that. But if you are just somebody who has a fast turning style but also likes controllable cubes, this is definitely the cube I recommend. Anyways, that's how you make your very own YoCube Deluxe V2.